In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to Framer website. Now, as you can see over here, I just have a sample website created, and I'm going to show you how to add a video to it. So here, you want to go to the Insert tab at the top left, and then from here, you want to go to the Media tab down here, hover over it, and then you want to go into Video. So as you can see here under Video, it says Video. You simply want to click on that, and then you can go ahead and drag it into wherever you want to have it. So for example, let's say I want to have it just below this Shop Now button over here, so it's going to basically show me where the positioning is, and when I release my mouse click, as you can see, it's going to put in the video. Now of course, I can go ahead and reset it. This is just a video block. It's not the actual video yet. It's just a block into which you can then put your own video, and then whenever you click on that, of course, you'll be able to go ahead and add the video. So click out over here, see if everything's cool. If it is, you can just click on that over here, and when you double click, you'll be able to see that it's going to open up this video panel here on the right, and then you can select the source. So you could either put on an URL. So here, if you have a URL, for example, to any of your YouTube videos or stuff like that, you could go ahead and put this in here, and then playing could be yes or no, and then of course you could select different settings as well here, such as the images over here, and then the background, the start time, if you want it to loop or not, how to fit, the controls, if you want it to show or hide, and then if you want it to be muted or not. So you have a bunch of different options here. You can select them. Of course, it's completely up to you. And then if you do upload here, you could also just choose the file. So for example, if I click on choose file and select this stock video here and open it up, as you can see, it's going to start uploading, and then it's going to basically pop this video in here, and there we go. I can now go ahead and, for example, just preview this by clicking this preview button up top, and as you can see here, the video is now playing here inside my website. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.